Welcome to my channel. Today we're setting off on an exciting exploration of Turkey, a unique country where the cultures of the East and West beautifully converge, and where history seamlessly blends with breathtaking landscapes. From the ancient ruins that tell stories of empires long gone, to the vibrant cities buzzing with modern energy and stunning coastlines that offer serene escapes, Turkey is a treasure trove of diverse travel experiences. Whether you're fascinated by historical sites, captivated by stunning natural beauty, or eager to dive into rich cultural traditions, Turkey has something to inspire every traveller. So let's dive into the 10 best places to visit in this fascinating and diverse country, and uncover what makes each destination truly special. One, Istanbul. Istanbul is a city where history and modernity intertwine. Visit the iconic Hagia Sophia, a marvel of Byzantine architecture, and the stunning Blue Mosque, known for its intricate tile work. Explore the Topkapi Palace, once the residence of Ottoman sultans, and wander through the bustling Grand Bazaar for a unique shopping experience. 2. Cappadocia. Cappadocia is famous for its otherworldly landscapes and unique rock formations. Take a hot air balloon ride at sunrise for breathtaking views of the fairy chimneys and valleys. Explore the underground cities and cave dwellings carved into the soft volcanic rock, and hike through the stunning Gorem National Park. 3. Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle in Turkish, is renowned for its natural thermal terraces. The white travertine terraces are formed from mineral-rich hot springs, creating a stunning landscape. Relax in the thermal pools and visit the nearby ancient city of Hierapolis to explore its well-preserved ruins. Four, Ephesus. Ephesus is an ancient city that offers a glimpse into the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Walk through the well-preserved ruins of the Library of Celsus and the Great Theatre. Explore the Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and visit the terrace houses to see ancient frescoes and mosaics. Five, Antalya. Antalya is a stunning coastal city known for its beautiful beaches and charming old town. Relax on the sandy shores of Konyaaltı Beach or Lara Beach. Explore the picturesque Kalechi district with its narrow streets and Ottoman architecture, and visit the ancient Hadrian's Gate and the stunning Duden waterfalls. 6. Bodrum. Bodrum is a vibrant coastal town famous for its lively nightlife and ancient history. Visit the Bodrum Castle, which houses the Museum of Underwater Archaeology, and explore the ruins of the Mausoleum of Halicarnassus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Enjoy the bustling marina and beach clubs. 7. Troy. Troy is an archaeological site steeped in legend and history. Visit the ruins of the ancient city mentioned in Homer's Iliad, including the impressive city walls and the replica of the Trojan horse. Explore the various layers of ruins that reveal the city's long history from the Bronze Age to Roman times. 8. Mount Ararat. Mount Ararat is Turkey's highest peak and holds a special place in both history and legend. It's famously known as the supposed resting place of Noah's Ark. Enjoy hiking in the surrounding national park, and take in the stunning views of the snow-capped peak and the dramatic landscape. 9. Konya. Konya is a city known for its spiritual significance and connection to the whirling dervishes. Visit the Mevlana Museum, dedicated to the poet Rumi, and experience a traditional Sema ceremony. Explore the historic Selimiye Mosque and enjoy the city's rich cultural heritage and unique architecture. (10) Gaziantep. Gaziantep is renowned for its rich culinary heritage and ancient history. Visit the Zugma Mosaic Museum to see impressive Roman mosaics. Explore the historic castle and the vibrant bazaar, where you can sample local delicacies like baklava and kebabs. The city's blend of history and gastronomy makes it a unique destination. Thanks for joining our tour of Turkey's top 10 destinations. We hope you enjoyed discovering these amazing places. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel content. Share your favourite Turkish destination in the comments below. See you on our next adventure.